Hi, this is Eric with Degreed. We are a technology suite that empowers organizations from onboarding to employee reskilling and everything in between. So today, I want to walk you through a handful of our solution sets that really point to the value, the impacts that our solution can drive in order to revamp and engage your employees as they upskill and reskill in your workforce. So quickly, I want to frame up some of the problems that we're experiencing and hearing direct from our clients. One, we're hearing that your leadership, your organization does not have the insights and actionable data to make informed decisions. Two, we want to empower our managers to have crucial conversations and enhance the value of your individual learners. And last but not least, allow and empower your individual learners to build the skills that they need to take on to tomorrow. So I'll quickly transition into our advanced analytics tab, which is going to give you and your team the data, the insights from a skills perspective to truly understand what sort of skill sets is our business focused on. So on screen, you can actually see a sense of the skills that your learners are focusing on. So we see everything from leadership, project management, Microsoft, Excel, and beyond. We can definitely drill further, dig deeper, and understand exactly how those skill sets are being developed and those areas of focus across the organization. I'll shift gears now over to the learner experience and actually walk through at a high level our skills coach. So Skills Coach is going to give insight into how managers enhance the performance of their teams, right? We want to bring those crucial conversations, those performance reviews to another level. So in this particular case, I'll just click on Christine as an example, and I can quickly get an overview of Christine's skill sets. As a manager, as a people leader, I have that capability. And maybe I've heard from the top down that senior leadership really wants to focus our efforts in business development. I can quickly allow and push out those skills targets to my team, in this case, Christine, and recommend that Christine really takes strides to learn, to develop, and reskill in this particular area. Next, I'll quickly turn over to our opportunities tab. And this will give us a line of sight where we're actually allowing the learner, the end user, to put their skill sets, their learning into the real world, right? I can quickly browse and see what opportunities, stretch assignments, gigs, projects, tasks are at my fingertips. I can show interest, I can raise my hand and really advance my upskilling or reskilling efforts here. And then last but not least, I'll click on my profile, and at any point in time, I can go through, click on our skills tab, and I can click on and update my ratings, right? So I can get and provide an updated pulse of how I'm tracking, how I'm progressing in my specific skill sets and reskilling or upskilling to meet the demands of the business. This is Degreed in action. We'd love to delve deeper with you if you would like to see Degreed in full. We're happy to do that. Thank you for joining.